All right, hi there, traders, and welcome to Trade the Structure and the 5 minute trading day. So, I've got another recorded video for the 5 minute trading day. The strategy we kicked off today on the Hang Seng. Also traded on the DAX and the Dow in the European and the US sessions, but more active in my time zone in the Hang Seng. But it's working really, really good. So, this is a recorded trade from today. It's the 18th of March and it was a nice little sell. So you'll see that kick off in a minute. I'm just waiting for the market to open. I've drawn up the levels and I'm just basically waiting for it to get closer to the opening time. So I'm not going to get triggered at the wrong time against the rules. All right, and you'll see, I just click over here. So there's another 30 or so seconds to go. So I'll continue talking until we get that trade and you'll see what happens. But yeah, the idea behind the strategy is to take advantage of the opening prices and that opening volatility and see if we can pick out. It's basically a one-to-one trade. We're just trying to take out on the Hang Seng 30 points, and we're risking 30 points. Okay, that's all on the DAX and the Dow. It's 10 and 10 on both of those. I could actually move it up on the Dow, so I'm just debating that at the moment. But you'll see here, I just go to, there you go, just place the trade. I just put in the sell order at 21,106 to sell. And I think it triggers that at 106 and then it hits the profit target. And it actually gives me 2 point slippage. So normally I'm going for 30. It actually gave me 32 today. It's just a fast moving market, a fast spike down. See there, it just triggered. And then literally it's probably about 3 or 4 or 5 seconds later, we're out. Okay, it was as simple as that. Now, this is not rocket science, this trade. There's a few rules and parameters to it. But it's pretty much straightforward. It's really, really good for any new traders that want to get involved. Anyone that's looking for a strategy where they can dip their toe in the water and they don't have much time involved into the market. Well, to place into the market, into learning. So something they can get involved in, something that can get them started, and then they can learn their trade and their craft from there. So anyway, thanks for joining me, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember to look through our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. That'd be much appreciated. And we'll speak to you again next time.